Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. After you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called factory reset, and once you find it, select it, then tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though, if you factory reset your watch, you will use all of your data and settings from your watch. So if you simply want to connect a different phone to your watch, you can select connect different phone option in the menu that the factory option reset factory settings option is in. There's an option that allows you to basically connect a different phone without resetting the watch to the factory default settings. Okay, and once the factory reset is complete, you will see the list of languages on the screen, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.